How to make voodoo doll cookies for Halloween 2021 with Maria Loves Art. I am so glad you are watching this video. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I hope you enjoy this video and have fun watching it. Start by using a gingerbread cookie cutter, roll it out, and then put it in the oven. Make sure you have a good recipe that the gingerbread cookie will hold its shape. Let them cool down before we start decorating them. So I went ahead and mixed all the fondant up that I needed. I went ahead and used the food color, and it did stain my hands. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, so that way they will not stain the fondant. I want this fondant to stay white. Let's go ahead and roll this out. So what I'm doing now is smoothing out the edges. So what I'm using now is an edible marker. All you have to do is make your own design. I'm going all the way around, and then I will soon add a little face. It's coming together. I'm putting some little stitches around the body. Here comes the adorable little face. Let's go ahead and give him a heart. A broken heart. So my inspiration came from these felt voodoo dolls. I just knew automatically that I wanted to bake some cookies and decorate them. And it has been so much fun. So now I am rolling out the black fondant. I'm just going to brush off the confectioner sugar because it was just a little bit too much. So now I am using a clay extruder that I use for fondant only. So now I am going to add the fondant around, and then I'm going to use a little bit of fondant mixed with water to make the glue. It'll help it stick. Now we're going to go ahead and add little stitches all the way around. So I am going to use a cookie cutter cutout from a heart, and then the black edible marker to give him a broken heart. I'm using a cake decorating tip to make his eye. Let's make another one with the black fondant. We're going to give this little guy a red heart. This eye is a sugar eye that you can buy in a pack at the store. Leave a comment and let me know if you like this video. Did you notice I didn't give this one a broken heart, only a very black heart? So I'm making her a girl and she is going to have some roses. Let's go ahead and outline her so that way she won't look like a peppermint. These came out so cute. I hope you love them because I sure do. Thank you for watching. Have a great night and I hope you do try this project.